Welcome to Techno Trend Zone, your ultimate destination for the most advanced breakthroughs in camera technology. In today's deep dive, we're unpacking the much-talked-about Sony A7V, a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera that's set to redefine expectations for both photographers and videographers. From dramatic leaps in image processing and autofocus intelligence to revolutionary improvements in low-light performance and 8K video, this camera is poised to become the new gold standard in the mirrorless world. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an ambitious content creator, you'll want to stick around as we examine all the major features, leaks, and performance enhancements you need to know about. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a future update from Techno Trend Zone. Let's begin with the design. Sony continues its legacy of precision craftsmanship with a magnesium alloy chassis that combines strength and portability. The refined grip and repositioned controls enhance usability during long shooting sessions, while the improved weather sealing makes this model ideal for challenging outdoor conditions. The fully articulating, high-resolution touchscreen LCD is perfect for vlogging, framing difficult shots, or reviewing footage on the go, even under direct sunlight. Now let's talk about the sensor. Rumors suggest Sony is equipping the A7V with a newly engineered full-frame sensor featuring backside illuminated stacked technology, significantly boosting light sensitivity and dynamic range. Paired with a dual native ISO system, users can expect cleaner, sharper results in both bright and dimly lit environments. The updated Bionz XR image processor will allow for faster image rendering, smoother color gradations, and remarkably accurate skin tones, ideal for portrait, fashion, and editorial work. On the autofocus front, Sony's AI game is on another level. The A7V is expected to introduce deep learning-based subject tracking that intelligently locks onto humans, animals, birds, and even fast-moving vehicles with surgical precision. With over 750 phase detection points reportedly covering nearly the entire frame, the camera will maintain rock-solid focus in even the most chaotic environments. Low-light autofocus performance is also getting a major upgrade, making this a strong option for street photographers and wedding shooters alike. Moving into video capabilities, this is where things really get exciting. The A7V is rumored to support 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, as well as 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion. Internal 10-bit 4.2.2 color depth will offer greater flexibility during editing, enabling nuanced color grading and post-production effects without compromising image fidelity. Sony is also expected to refine its S-Cinetone and S-Log3 profiles, giving filmmakers access to a more cinematic look straight out of camera. Improved thermal management means you can shoot for extended periods without worrying about overheating, even in high-resolution modes. One of the standout advancements is in stabilization. The A7V could feature up to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, helping to eliminate motion blur in handheld shots. An enhanced active mode stabilization setting will provide gimbal-like smoothness for handheld video, while a new AI-based gyro stabilization option is expected to offer even more refined results when paired with Sony's post-processing software. On the connectivity side, the A7V is likely to support dual CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD card slots for blazing fast read-to-write speeds. Enhanced Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 will make wireless file transfers quick and reliable. A USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port is also expected, offering high-speed tethering and in-camera charging. Add to that a full-size HDMI port for professional-grade external recording, and you've got a connectivity hub built for modern creators. Battery life has been a focus as well, with optimization leading to longer shooting times on a single charge, a major plus for those who shoot on location or during travel. Considering all the rumored upgrades, the Sony A7V is expected to launch in the $2,800 to $3,000 range. While that places it on the premium end of the market, it delivers immense value for hybrid shooters who demand professional-level performance in both photography and videography. With its future-ready AI capabilities, robust build, and unmatched versatility, the A7V isn't just a camera, it's a long-term creative investment. Sony is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-assisted imaging. From auto-framing, based on facial movement, to real-time focus correction during unpredictable motion, The A7V is expected to deliver results that were previously only possible with advanced post-processing. The inclusion of AI-based noise reduction will help retain critical details in shadows and highlights, especially useful in high ISO shooting scenarios like astrophotography or low-light events. Speaking of which, the expanded ISO range and intelligent sensor design will allow users to shoot night scenes and dimly lit subjects with stunning clarity and reduced grain. With 14+ stops of dynamic range, photographers will be able to preserve incredible highlight and shadow detail, opening doors for advanced HDR workflows and color grading. Whether you're filming a cinematic sequence or capturing stills in complex lighting, the A7V will have the flexibility and power to adapt. One of the biggest talking points about the A7V is its future-proof potential. Sony is reportedly planning modular firmware updates that continuously unlock new features and improvements over time. Combined with its rugged body, reliable heat, control system, and pro-level ergonomics, this makes the A7V a dependable choice for creators in dynamic environments, from travel bloggers to documentary filmmakers. It's a true workhorse designed for the next generation of digital storytelling. And there you have it. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a groundbreaking leap forward in full-frame mirrorless technology, blending next-gen features with real-world practicality. With elite-level autofocus, pristine image quality, ultra-high-resolution video, and smart connectivity, it could become the go-to camera for serious creatives. If you're as excited as we are about what the A7V could offer, make sure to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest news, hands-on reviews, and camera comparisons. Drop a comment below and let us know what feature you're most excited about, and don't forget to check the description for product links and updates. Until next time, keep creating and stay ahead with Techno Trend Zone, where innovation meets inspiration.